So this is the project. This project is regarding meal website, and this is our requirements page. And the main target was to achieve three features. The first is home page, second is meal details page, and the third is my favorite meals page. The features inside the home page as a target was to hit an API and search for meal, and the results would show just like Google does for its suggestion whenever we search in Google. The second was that for each search result there should be a favorite button, and by clicking on that favorite button, the dish should be added in my favorite meals. And the third one, if we click on any search result whenever we search any meal, then a separate meal detail page should open. And that page should contain the name, photo, and detailed instructions for that meal. Also, the features for which we talked about favorite meals, in that list, it should show the list of all the favorite meals, whichever we add from our website. Also, we have to make our website like whenever we refresh our page, then the favorite meals should be stayed there in the home page itself. It should not be gone. And also the target was to keep a remove button beside every favorite button, so that whenever we click on that remove button, that favorite meal should be removed from the website. So this was about requirements. Let's look on to our code. So this is our main page, index2.html. So this is the landing page where we have made basically three main fields. The first one is the input place where we will be searching our meal. Second is the option place where the search results will be shown and from where we can choose any our meals. And the third one is a div where the favorite meals will be shown. And for that we have used this style2.css as our CSS, and we tried to make this completely responsive. And for this we have used media query for here. For its working we have used vanilla JavaScript. And to explain about this page, the first function is fetch suggestion, which will hit the API and get all the details from the API, the meal details, and it will be used in the website further. The second function is the add to favorite, which will add the favorite meals from our website, and this is remove from favorite. This function, what it does, whenever we click on the remove button, it will remove the meal from the favorite page. This is a function about save favorites to local storage, so it will be saving the meals in our local storage, so that whenever we refresh the page, it should not be gone. And this function load favorites from local storage. This function helps to load the data whichever it's saved in the local storage. And this is the main function, show meal details, which will be we used to show the detailed meal page in a separate website, a separate page. And for that, this is the our HTML part, which is kept inside the JavaScript only. And for this we have used, for styling part, we have used style3.css. And for this also complete responsiveness, we have used media query here. So this was about the code. Let's run our project and look onto the website. So this is the look and feel of our website. We have given this a name, Food Factory. So as you can see, we have kept here a search for meals. So if we are craving for any meals, we can search like cake. So as you can see, the results from the suggestion is showing just like Google. Let's click on the pancake. So as you can see, when we clicked on the name of the pancake, a detailed page is opened with detailed image and the complete meal instructions. Let's go back to our home page. As you remember, we just clicked on the name. So what happens when we click on the favorite button? Suppose for the carrot cake, we click on the favorite button. As you can see, for this as well, a separate page is opened with complete meal instructions. But when we go back to our page, if you remember, we clicked on the favorite button. So in our favorite meals list, you can see the carrot cake is added as a favorite meal. Let's search for some other dishes. Let's suppose we search for paneer. As you can see, Matar Paneer came. So whenever we clicked on the favorite button, for Matar Paneer also a separate page is opened with complete meal instructions. If we come back to our page, if you remember, we clicked on the favorite part. So in our favorite meal details, 2 meals are added. So now let's try to refresh the page. As you can see, after refreshing also, the list is not going because we have saved this data in our local storage. Also, the remove button is kept beside every favorite meal. So if we click on this remove button, as you can see, the meals are going from the favorite meals. So by this, we completed all the target features which was required for the project. Yeah, so this was my project, the Food Factory.